So in quantum style, we used to say, passions are endless, we vow to extinguish them all. To me, there was actually quite a big difference between desire and passion. And I went to one of the first or the second teachers' meetings that I went to. I proposed that we change the second vow, because it didn't strike me that what we were trying to do is extinguish passion. So Stan Lombardo, Zen Master Kwang, is a classicist, and he knows classical Chinese. So he went back to the Chinese characters, and the character has a lot of different translations. So we went to delusions are endless. We vowed to cut through them all. I think cutting through followed with the classical Chinese, but also it flowed nicely with delusions. So that character is passion, delusion, desire, and who knows what else. Because translations are sticky. We're translating, and words have very many different meanings. And I, of course, since I was comfortable with the desire one, I was happy to go back to desire. Actually, now I like delusion. It kind of sidesteps that whole issue. And it points really to the problem, which is that we get deluded and we lose contact with something more true. And passion can create delusion, but certainly desire can create delusion. Anger, greed, those three poisons that the Buddha talked about are so fundamental to creating delusion, in my sense, because we have to justify the unjustifiable. Once we split the world into self and other, and I begin to use everyone else and everything else in this universe as an object for my gratification, I've already lost my way. And delusion has to follow that to make up a good enough story to justify my life. So to cut through the delusion, then we're back to seeing things as they are. And we don't know how they are. We can't say. We might be able to point to it in this very moment, but as soon as the moment changes, as soon as it's something that's still yet to happen, we don't know. So cutting through delusion leads us back to don't know.